What are you doing?
She wants the rest of that strawberry. She's like, I left some in here for later. Where did it go? Kiara, come here. Come here.
Kiara, come get Dexter. Look, he wants you. Look, Dexter wants you. No, don't eat that.
Where you go? I can't see you. Kiara. Jump. Oh. Yeah, you about jumped right off the table. How are you going to get to him? How can I get to that dog? I got to figure it out. Where are you going? I'm not going to help you. I'm going up to Courtney. Because she has bracelets on, huh? You like her bracelets? Tell her she needs to make you one for your belly. We can't find a belly band small enough. Yep, there's no more strawberry in there. It's all gone. Kiara. Come here. Dexter wants you. Don't bite, don't chew on the furniture. Oh, careful. Give up. Come here.
Okay, Dexter, come here. Dexter, come here. Come here.
Where are you going? You're hopping around like a kangaroo.
Come here, Dexter.
What you doing over there?
Stop.
Frankie.
Kiara.
Hi there. There's Dexter. Aw, you gave Dexter kisses. Frankie, get down. Frankie, get down. Frankie. There's that Dexter. Aw, give Dexter kisses. Oh, he gives you kisses back. How cute. Oh, there's your stick. Oh, were you gonna share your stick? And of course, Frankie has to get right in the middle of it all. Whoa, did you see that jump? Wow. What a big girl.
She wants to play with Dexter, but he can't get on the table. Frankie, get down.
Are you showing off all your skills to the dogs? Ooh, monkey jumps everywhere. Kisses. Oh my goodness. He's not there anymore. Oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. There you go, good girl. Come here, I'll put you back on the table. Come here. We'll let him outside for a minute. Oh, well. Hold on. Oh. You see that, Marlee? Yeah, she hasn't quite adjusted to you yet. Oh, big old jumps. Big old jumps.
one finger we're talking about.
Stop it. Yep, you've almost outgrown this table. We're going to have to start doing videos in other parts of the house now. You're starting to get really adventurous. She is 9 weeks old. Yeah, there's no more strawberry down there, honey. It's all gone. You're going to drop that bowl. Come give me kisses. No. Oh, she looked. I don't know. I got to figure out how to get down there. How am I going to get down there? Whoa, careful. Just trying to think about jumping. Whoa. She is determined to figure it out. He wants to play. Dexter, stop. Oh, don't chew on the furniture.
We don't do that. Remember? Picture on this. Or not.
I'm going to figure this out, she says. I'm going to figure out how to get down there to Dexter. Can't be that hard.
I'm going to eat my way to the table to get there.
She loves that little plastic bowl. You gonna get inside of it? You're halfway in. Nah. Dexter, stop. Oh, got the bracelet again. She's trying to tell you something. I really want one of these. Make me one.
Not easily.
And there's your plastic bowl. You just aren't going to give up, are you? Aw, you got in your chair. You going to sit in your chair? No. Oh, yes, you are getting adventurous. Doing all kinds of monkey things. Dexter. Stop.
He's like you weren't purging it.
I know. Kiara. Way to go, little monkey. Way to go, little monkey. Dexter. Oh, was I talking to your friend? Or did you just now realize you're on camera? You're going to fall. No, I'm not. Look at you. climbing all over the place. Yep, it's time to put together your new living quarters. What a cute little monkey. What a cute little monkey. Jump. There's the popping game. It'll be a while before you get your own cell phone. You have to show responsibility first. What was that? Play the bubble game. No? Yeah, I don't get it. It makes these noises. Ooh, I'll eat it. You're making bubbles go on the cell phone. Big old jump. Monkey jumps. Dexter? Stop. You done? I'm sure I got some pretty good footage in there. You're learning how to use your hands really good. And your mouth. She's carrying it around in her mouth. She has not given up. She's like, I know I can figure this out. I know I got this. Chewing on your fingers? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm trying to show you pretty colors. Kiara. She wants the camera.
She wants the camera. No, you can't have the camera. No. Are you giving the camera kisses? Yes, that's a good girl. Where are you going? I can't. Yeah, see? No, no, you're not going to bite the camera.